So what we need in order to attach it is we need a Lark Head knot. The Lark Head knot, again, fancy names, is that it's very easily made. So you're going to put your fingers through like this. You're going to wrap them around the outside, okay, of the string. And when you wrap them around outside the string, you're basically holding them to pull them through this loop. So you're going to basically do this, okay? When you do that, you'll notice, okay, that it's securing around my finger. Well, we want it to actually secure around that knotted part that we took off the warp board. Okay, so I'm going to basically, let's do it again just to show you. All right, so Lark Head knot on the outside. I'm going to bring them together. I'm pulling this through, and then I'm just going to keep the hole open, and I'm going to take my section of the sectional here. I'm going to put the knot through it, okay, and there we go, it's secure. Now do our Lark Head knot, okay, so there, we're going to take it, make our little loopy there, put our little, and again, if you guys have tips that I'm not aware of, because again, I've only been doing this for a couple of years, by all means, please leave me information in the comment section below.